today is Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September as the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. In his honor, we celebrate this Teachers' Day. There is a program in school. Children decorate their classes. There is a program for Teachers' Day in schools. Children like to participate in it. Children give roses to their teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day once again. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you friends. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more educational, for more celebration videos, and press the bell icon. Bye bye. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Bye bye.